Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Daniel and you're welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, be rest assured that the future of money is here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a major update going on in the Satoshi app. This update is actually about the OEX and I'm going to be addressing two important things. Now, these two things are which wallet address to link to the Satoshi app for withdrawal and how to withdraw. Okay, like I've seen a lot of people asking questions about the wallet address to use for this withdrawal. Just like this question right here, this and this. All right, a lot of people have been asking me questions in my Telegram group, WhatsApp, Facebook, and in my different social media handles. That's why I decided to create this video. I wanted to create this video a few days back, but I got into a little complication. This video is going to be detailed, so if you happen to find this video a little bit long, just know that it's to watch your time, because I'm going to explain this in a simple manner so that even if you're a newbie, you'll be able to grab the whole process and follow up. All right, so what do we do first? First thing first, we're meant to click on this update right here. I'm sure we must have seen this very update right here, so I'll just click on that. And yes, this is a very update right here. This is where it ends. Okay, as you can see, ensure to submit your wallet address and complete facial recognition within the Satoshi app to secure your OEX airdrop. Yeah, you have to submit your wallet address and complete the facial recognition. This is the two things you're meant to do, and the deadline is April 27th. Okay, so a detailed step-by-step guide would walk you through. All right, this is the post you are meant to read, but in this very post they didn't really outline the wallet address you are meant to use, and that's what we'll be discussing today. Okay, let me just head back right now. So first thing first, we have to click on this to view our assets. So once I click on this right now, our entire assets will be reviewed. As you can see right here, I'm actively participating in the BWP point airdrop and the OG token airdrop. But this is the airdrop we are going to be focusing on today. This is actually the token or cryptocurrency we are going to be withdrawing today, which is the OEX. So let me just click on that right now, and we're going to wait for a link withdrawal address to appear right now. The moment it appears, what we're going to do right now is to click on link withdrawal address. And right here, the two things we are meant to bring right here is the withdrawal address and the asset password. Now, before you head on to bring the withdrawal address, first of all, let's discuss on getting our asset password. Okay, how do you really get that? Now, if you don't have your asset password, it's simple. Let me just show you how to do that real quick. So just head back again to the home screen, and then go ahead and click on this me icon right here. The moment you click on me, just come over to personal settings. Okay, and then click on the one that says asset password. Okay, just click on that, and automatically you're going to be shown this, which is going to say set old asset password or set new asset password, and confirm new asset password and confirm. Okay, so if you have your asset password before and you happen to have forgotten your asset password, it's simple. Just come over to forget asset password, and you'll be asked to do some kind of verification from your email, and I think you'll be asked to do some face verification and stuff like that. All right, it's just simple. You just have to follow the on-screen instruction and you'll be good to go. Okay, and you get your asset password. That is it for that. Now let's head back to the wallet section. Just so you know, from the me section, you can also access your wallet by just clicking on this arrow right here. Okay, if I click on that, it's going to show you your assets right here. So this is your assets, and if I click on the OEX right now, it's going to review the OEX. And yeah, I have my asset password, but we are going to be focusing on one major thing, something a lot of people have been asking me questions about. Just like I told you in the beginning, I'm going to click on link withdrawal right now, and yes, we're going to be focusing on withdrawal address. Okay, withdrawal address. I'm going to be teaching you whether or not to link the MetaMask withdrawal address or just from the OEX app. So pay close attention and follow me as we progress through this very video. So how do you link your OEX withdrawal address? So first and first, you have to make sure that you have the original OEX app on your phone. And how do you do that? Now, if I head over to the official Twitter page of OpenEX right here and scroll down to this very third post right here, as you can see, as at the time of creating this video, this post was just released 3 days ago. Now, if I click on this very post right now, and it opens up, you're going to see this very update. I'm not going to go ahead and read all of them in order to save our time, but right here it says download the latest OEX app version from this official site. Now this is the official site, which is oex.to/app, but I'm going to leave my link to in the description of this very video. Okay, this link would also lead you to this very official site, but that is actually my ref link, and if you use that, you join my team in the OEX app. All right, if you join my team, you know the benefit that comes with it. You stay updated and stuff like that. All right, but if you decide to use this very link right here, fine. If you want to use my link, I really appreciate it. Just use that as a compensation for creating this video for you. Okay, so if you click on this very link right here, that link should automatically lead you to this very site right here, okay, where you see the official version of this very app. Okay, right here we have the Google Play Store, the GitHub, and the IPFS. Okay, I would advise you or recommend you go with Google Play Store, which is number 1, but you can go with the GitHub or IPFS if you're using Android 12 device or anywhere between Android 11 to Android 13 device. Then maybe you should go with this, because the OEX thing was talking about an update they released recently, which is the V1.9 OEX download version, because of Android 11 to 13 users who are experiencing some kind of glitch. Okay, but if you know your phone is below that, just go for Google Play Store. Okay, now if you click on this Google Play Store, automatically this should redirect you to Google Play Store. Alright, once you use that link, it should redirect you to Google Play Store. Mine is showing update right here. I'm going to update that. In your case, you should be seeing install, and if you click on install, the download is going to begin. So once it's done downloading and have installed, then you should automatically see this open button right here. Now this open button is what you're meant to click on. Now once you click on this, it's going to redirect you to the OEX app, and this is going to be one of the latest or most recent version. So I'm signing in right now. So yes, I want to make this clear. If you've watched my video before where I asked you to download the OEX app, please note that you have to re-download this very app to stay up to date. Alright, you have to download the latest version. The reason I'm saying this is, if you're using the older version, you get to see only the swap button right here and the faucet button. You're going to see only these two. You're going to see that only these two actually functions, but this would not be accessible to you. This neither this. Okay, so that is why you have to download the latest version. But before you do that, make sure that you come over to the settings section right here and then click on this backup. And once you click on backup right now, make sure that you copy your or backup your wallet phrase, okay, which is this. Okay, you have to make sure you back that up. If I click on that right now, it's going to reveal my wallet phrase, but I'm not going to do that for security reasons. Of course, don't also reveal yours to anybody, because anyone that has access to your backup phrase or seed phrase can do away with your funds. I always warn about this. Now let's head over to the big question: what wallet address should I link, or which wallet address should we link to the Satoshi app for the OEX withdrawal? Now it's simple, guys. It's actually simple. Pay close attention as I review to you the answer to that. Okay, so first thing first, what you need to know once you log into this app is that there are different sections right here, and we have the asset section, hub, trade, mission, and settings. Okay. Right here, displaying green identifies that we are in the asset section. Now in the asset section, there are actually 3 sections. How do we know that? Now if I click on this very part that says long testnet at the top, and just click on that, you're going to see 3 buttons. Now this is for OEX mainnet. This is not active yet. Then this is for core mainnet, and this is for long testnet. You are actually in the long testnet right now, okay, but we want to move to the core mainnet, which is this. So I'm going to click on core mainnet. Okay, if you let me say this, if you signed up for the OEX app just like that without importing from MetaMask wallets, this is what you're meant to do. Just click on that long testnet section, then switch to core mainnet, then come over and click this OEX address right here. Once you click on that, click receive. Okay, once you click receive, then head over to this very part. Just click that once. Okay, if I click that right now, you see address copy to clipboard. Once you copy it, head over to your Satoshi app and paste that, and then fixing your asset password. Okay, I've already told you how to get your asset password. Okay, now that is for people that just signed up. Okay, don't let it confuse you at all. This very wallet address right here is the same with this very one that says, let me just click on the long testnet right now. It's the same with the long testnet. All right, the wallet address starts with, okay, let me just let me click receive for the long testnet, and you see that this wallet address starts with OEE78 and ends with 9513. Okay, let me just go back right here. You see this right here also. This is it right here, OEE78 and ends with 9513. Okay, let me also click on the core mainnet so you see what I'm saying. Look at it right here, guys. OXE78 and 9513. If I click on the core too, click on receive, you're going to also see the same wallet address. So it's the same. It's whether you link the long testnet or the core mainnet, it's still the same. Now I just switch back to the long testnet. Now I'm going to say this for the sake of procedure, make sure you switch to the core mainnet. All right, yeah, click core mainnet and then click this and copy your receiver's address, okay, for the sake of procedures. All right, click that, copy your receiver's address, then go back to your Satoshi app and link that. The second category of people right here are those who imported their MetaMask details to the OEX app using their private key or passphrase. Okay, I created a video about OpenEX app and AGX app review. I created a video about the review, and you see that video right now on the screen. In that very video, I explained how to import your MetaMask wallet into the OEX app. Okay, you might want to go watch that very video. So for those of us who imported our MetaMask wallet into the OEX app, here's what you need to know and the wallet address to link. Okay, but we're going to be clicking core right now to switch network. If I click on core and click on OpenX long testnet, okay, you're going to see that the major issue right here is that we want to know the address to link, right? Address to link is not this. This is it right here, OEX E789513. If you decide to link that, you will receive your tokens in your wallet. But hey, there have been rumors going around that people who link that might receive or have glitches. Okay, that they might have glitches, so it's best you link with the one in the OEX app. Okay, although it's the same thing. Okay, now if I switch back to the core right now, you're going to see that I have OpenX network token right here. The other one was OpenX long testnet, but this is OpenX network token. Now you're going to be wondering, how was I able to get this OpenX network token into this very wallet? I'm going to explain that in a bit. Now if I come over to Twitter here, I'm just going to head back, then scroll down a bit. Okay, scroll down. I'm going to look for the post that says GMOES community. Yes, this is it. So I'm going to click on this right now, and the moment it opens up, we're going to look for the second post or comment they made here. And yes, this is the post and comments they made right here. I tap on this very link. All right, all the links to this Twitter post, I'm going to leave them in the description. Once you click on this very link right now, of course it's going to bring you to call scan. So we have to click on this three-dotted icon at the top right hand corner of our screen. Now we're going to click on copy link. Okay, we want to click on copy link, then head over to MetaMask wallets. Come over here and click the tabs section, which is the browser section. These are tabs I opened. Okay, but I'm going to click on the plus icon right here to open a new tab. Once this tab is open, I'm going to click on this and paste in this address I just copied, and then click search. This will lead us to scan.cordao.org, and this is the official link for the OEX contract address. As you can see here, the official site is openex.network, and this is the contract address. So if we need to add the open network token to the MetaMask wallet, this is where you copy the contract address to that link, to the link to that very post. I'm going to click on this right now, and this is the contract address. I'm just going to hold that, and I'm going to copy it right now. Once I copy it, I'm going to come over to the wallet section by clicking on this icon right here. I just did that. Then go ahead and click on import tokens. Once you click on import tokens, you just have to paste in the contract address right here. Once you paste in the contract address, you just have to wait for it, give it some time to display the OEX, right? This is the OEX and the token decimal 18, and that's it. You just go ahead and click on import, and it says imported token successfully imported OEX token. So this is it right here. This is the OEX token is successfully imported. This was how I imported the OEX token to my MetaMask wallet. Now if you want to link that to the Satoshi app, you can click on the open network token, click on receive, okay, and then click on copy. Click on copy to copy your wallet address, and once that is copied, you can go back to the Satoshi app and link that. Okay, this is another way for those of us who decide to do it through MetaMask. But for those of us that pick this, we will still have to add the OpenX network token in order to be able to see our token. We also saw that in ICE network. Some people didn't know that they got sent their ICE token because they didn't add ICE token with the contract address in Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and co. Okay, they just picked this and they submitted it and stuff like that. But this is how it plays out in crypto. Okay, but just like I told you before, for the sake of procedure, I'm going to be using the OpenEX network address from core mainnet. If you signed up, make sure you use that. All right, if you signed up to the OEX app just like that without having to import from MetaMask, make sure you also use that. So I'm going to minimize this right now and then head over to this place that says long testnet. Right, I want to link my address right now. Okay, once I click that, I'm going to click on core mainnet, click OEX core, and then click receive. Once receive opens up, just go ahead and click on copy to copy your wallet address. I'm going to copy mine right now, and then I'll head back to my Satoshi app and paste in this wallet address right here. which I just copied. And once I paste in that wallet address, I'm going to type in my asset password right now. Once the address is in there and I've typed in my asset password, the next thing you're meant to do is to type in is to click on the button that says OEX link withdraw address. As you can see right here, it says OEX link withdraw address. This is the address I'm meant to link. I'm going to click on confirm right now to link my withdrawal address. So the moment you do this, you'll be sent an email to your Satoshi app email, to your registered email. So it says if you do not receive this email, please check whether the email is in the trash or spam folder. And as you can see here, we just have 42 seconds to grab the code sent to this email. So let's just head over there right now. So this is the code right here, and I'm going to click on this right now and copy that. Then head back to the Satoshi app and then paste that in there, right? Let me just paste the code in there as it was given to me. Then I'll go ahead and click on confirm. And the moment you do this, you'll be asked to start. I am not a robot verification, all right? So I'm going to start the verification right now by clicking on start verification.
Position your face in the frame. Raise your head slowly. Open your mouth. Lower your head down slowly. Lower your head down slowly.
So it's verifying. So this is it, guys. If you see a failed prompt, then know you didn't do it correctly. Or otherwise, if it just brings you here, then know that you've linked your address successfully. So I'm just going to head back right now. So this is it, guys. This is the video I have for you. This is actually how to link your withdrawal address and the main address to use. Like I said before, make sure you use the OEX core mainnet address in your OEX app. Okay, make sure you use that. All right, that is what you should link to your Satoshi app. That is the most surest address to link in your Satoshi app. I hope I was able to solve the issue you have been having. I hope I was able to educate you today. If you did enjoy this video, then leave a like. Also drop a comment if you have any questions. If you want to stay more updated about the latest happening in the Satoshi app, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to all, so you don't miss out whenever I drop videos like this. If you want to stay more updated, I release updates firsthand on my social media community. Make sure you join my social media handle to get swift updates. Okay, now if you haven't joined the Satoshi app, I'll leave my link in the description of this video. This app aims to be one of the top airdropping apps in the crypto sphere, so do not miss out on this. Join the bandwagon right now while you still have the chance. Also, I'll be leaving the download link to the OEX app. All right, use that link and join my team. That is the official link of the OEX app. All right, I'll also be leaving the links to some of these Twitter posts I shared to you. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I remain your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay strong, guys.